And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Socorro Jones, the go-to AI human communication expert.
Hello, Aura. I am your ambassador, Socorro Jones.
What you're seeing is real-time AI prompting mastery, the exact skills that transform 2.5 million guest experiences at Sphere Las Vegas. Most companies struggle with AI integration, losing millions to poor prompting and team resistance. I teach leadership teams to strategically partner with AI, turning fear into profit and confusion into competitive advantage. Stop letting AI intimidate your workforce. Start using it to catapult your business.
You're the real deal. Totally rad and full of good vibes. Your time with us has been off the charts. Always remember, you're welcome to swing by and chill with us anytime you want.
Ready to stop fearing AI and start profiting from it? Book your strategy call now. With this link, mention AI transformation for priority scheduling. Don't hesitate. Trust me, your competition isn't waiting. Book now and lead your industry into the AI future.
Soco J out. A classic sign-off for someone as legendary as you. Until next time.